Good morning, students. Now we have already discussed about the cell division, that is the mitosis. Clear? Now I just revised some of the part of mitosis. Firstly, you remember that we have divided this process, mitosis, or you can say we study this in two parts. One is karyokinesis and other is cytokinesis, right? So in the last Zoom session or video, we have discussed about the karyokinesis first. Clear? Now what is karyokinesis? Means division of nucleus. एक से दो न्यूक्लियस बनेंगे डॉटर न्यूक्लियाई. तो we divide this karyokinesis phase into the different steps. First is prophase. Clear? In prophase we have seen that क्या क्या हुआ था इसमें बेटा. सेंट्रोस्फीयर डिसअपियर हो गया था. सेंट्रियोल्स जो है उन्होंने एस्ट्रल रेज बनानी स्टार्ट कर दी थी, राइट. And they start moving towards the opposite poles, right. Then chromosomes जो थे they become thick rod like structures बन गए थे. Clear? And each one chromosome seen as a thick chromosome with sister chromatids. Centromere जो था they are joined at one point, जिसको हमने centromere बोला था. white circles आप देख रहे हो centromeres के अंदर. फिर उसके बाद क्या हो गया था next में you will find that now these chromosomes. क्लियर. अब जो सेंट्रोमियर था इट विल रीच एट द ऑपोजिट पोल्स. वो जो सेंट्रोमियर थे वो आपके ऑपोजिट पोल्स पे रीच कर गए थे. स्पिंडल फाइबर्स थे बन गए थे, स्पिंडल बन गया था यानी कि, और आपके जो क्रोमोसोम्स थे उस पर अटैच हो गए थे. क्लियर. लेट प्रोफेस में. फिर उसके बाद मेटाफेस आ गया था. मेटाफेस में पूरा स्पिंडल आपका कंप्लीट स्पिंडल फॉर्मेशन हो गया था और जो क्रोमोसोम्स थे दे विल अटैच. क्लियर. इन द मिडल मेटाफेज स्टेज में आ गया था बेटा. सारे क्रोमोसोम्स एक लाइन में मिडल में सेटअप हो गए थे. फिर उसके बाद नाउ नेक्स्ट इज एनाफेज. अब एनाफेज में क्या होगा बेटा, यू कैन सी इन दिस डायग्राम कि जो सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड्स थे दे विल स्टार्ट मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द ऑपोजिट पोल्स. उन्होंने ऑपोजिट साइड पे जाना शुरू कर दिया था. क्लियर. बाय द कंट्रैक्शन ऑफ द स्पिंडल फाइबर्स जो उसकी हेल्प कर रहे थे, राइट. नाउ अब एनाफेज में क्या होगा फाइनली. नाउ एनाफेज ईच सेंट्रोमियर स्प्लिट्स इनटू टू डॉटर सेंट्रोमियर्स और दोनों पे एक एक सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड्स अटैच हो गया था बेटा. ठीक है. अब हम इनको अब क्या बोलेंगे, डॉटर क्रोमोसोम्स, राइट. नाउ दे आर कॉल्ड डॉटर क्रोमोसोम्स. एंड इन केस ऑफ द लेट एनाफेज, क्लियर, अब हमने देखा कि वो सिस्टर क्रोमोसोम्स बन गए हैं. नाउ दे विल स्टार्ट मूविंग टूवर्ड्स ऑपोजिट पोल्स. वहाँ एंड पे पहुँच जाएंगे बाय द कंट्रैक्शन ऑफ स्पिंडल फाइबर्स. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ एनाफेज आउट ऑफ ईच पेयर ऑफ डॉटर क्रोमोसोम्स, क्लियर, one reaches at one pole and other reaches at the second pole of the spindle. Clear. Now after that, now the next step started, that is telophase. Now in early telophase what will happen, firstly, now the daughter chromosome which reaches at the opposite poles, now they will start uncoiling, thinning and elongation. Clear. And all the daughter chromosomes, clear, और क्या होगा बेटा, all the daughter chromosomes, clear, which gather at one pole form a network like structure called chromatin reticulum. And around each chromatin, clear, around each chromatin reticulum of the two poles reappear nuclear envelope giving rise to two daughter nuclei. Clear. And spindle fibers, astral rays disappear. Clear, वो खत्म हो जाएंगे. And the centrioles duplicate. Again they are surrounded by centrosphere again producing centrosome. वो दोबारा से बन जाएगा बेटा. Means whatever is lost during the prophase, now all those things will be again regained. Clear. And with this the process of karyokinesis is completed and now it is followed by the cytokinesis. Now what is cytokinesis? From the name it is clear, the division of cytoplasm. Clear. Now for the division of cytoplasm there is a little bit difference in the plant and animal cell. In case of plant cell, if you will see, it is divided by the formation of cell plate. Center में एक cell plate बनती है बेटा. Clear. And in case of animal cell, a furrow is formed. Now what is furrow? I will just show you. You can see in this, the furrow is formed. This starts just coming inside. This is furrow. But in case of plant cell, the cell plate is formed. Clear. So that is the difference in animal cell and plant cell. Clear beta? Now in case of animal cell, by the formation of this furrow that goes inside, and finally the two cells are formed, means one nucleus and half cytoplasm is formed, clear, and you will get the two animal cells with the same number of chromosomes at the end of mitosis. At the end of mitosis, from one cell basically two cells are formed, right? Now if we talk about the significance of mitosis, clear, its significance is, first thing, it maintains the chromosome number in the cell or the all cells of your body. Second, it maintains the cell size. When the cell attains its maximum size, then that cell will divide into two daughter cells. With this, the size of the cell is maintained in the body. Next is growth. Now it will help in multicellular organism, as your life started from one cell, that is zygote. After the division of mitosis, you will get millions of cells. It means it helps in the growth. Replacement, clear, daily so many cells die, and those died cells are replaced by the new cells by the process of mitosis, repair. Wherever there is an injury in tissue or wear and tear in the body, that repair is also done by the cell division, and which is mitosis, clear. Then reproduction. In case of unicellular organisms, the method of reproduction is also the cell division, simple cell division, like in amoeba you have done it. So this mitosis is also the way of cell, you can say, reproduction in unicellular organisms, clear. Regeneration, you might have done the example of lizard in the 10th class. If we cut the tail or accidentally it is cut down, then that tail is again formed, and how it is formed? Again by the cell division, that is the mitosis. So these are some of the things which for which we need the cell division, mitosis, or its significance, right beta? So thanks and have a nice day. Next is meiosis, which we'll discuss in the next Zoom session, and then I will send you the video. Okay, have a nice day and take care of your health and your family. Okay beta.